Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. I have come across the view that the greatest problem for students is in doing evaluation. So this video aims to discuss evaluation with the example, and it is also going to talk about what is an argument, a counter argument with example. And I have chosen some popular topics and some argument on it, counter argument, and evaluation. So watch this video till end so that you are really trained in doing evaluation, in picking the argument, and then finding some counter argument as well. So don't skip this, watch it till the end. By watching all these different topics, your mind will be trained in finding the argument and then forming counter argument and evaluation. So first of all, I must tell you that argument is actually the idea which we are taking either to agree or disagree. And counter argument is something against that argument. You are actually rebuttaling the argument. And evaluation is further development on that idea. So let's start with this. First topic is, should homework be banned? Now, the argument on this is homework reinforces learning and teaches students discipline. Now, this apostrophe has gone wrong. Now, the counter argument, the rebuttal on this is too much homework can cause stress and reduce family time. Now, see that how this evaluation is done. You may start evaluation with word while. While homework is important, excessive workload can be counterproductive. Schools should focus on quality over quantity to ensure students benefit without feeling overwhelmed. So see that how this argument has been evaluated, how it has been told that it is, something unnecessary, some overburden. You see, my argument was homework reinforces learning and teaches students discipline. So this was my argument, and this argument has been the other side of this argument, or the rebuttal of it, was that too much homework can cause stress and reduce family time. Now, for the evaluation, what have we done? That we have, that reproduced this idea in an effective way. So while homework is important, excessive workload can be counterproductive. I mean, I am actually, not going in favor of this idea. I am countering this, and I am further developing this in the form of evaluation. So let's move on to the next topic. Should fast food be taxed more? Now, the argument is that high taxes on fast food would discourage unhealthy eating habits. I mean, they should be imposed so that this habit is, discouraged. Now, the counter argument is that this would disproportionately affect low-income families who rely on fast food. The other side of it is that it will definitely be a hindrance to buy fast food for some poor families. Now look at the evaluation. Instead of heavy taxation, educating people on nutrition and promoting affordable, healthy alternatives would be more effective approach. So you see that for banning fast food, it is important that people are educated. They are talked about nutrition values, and then only this task can be fulfilled. Now the topic number third is, should school uniform be compulsory? Now the argument for this is that uniforms promote equality and reduce peer pressure. I mean, because of the peer uniform, there is equality among students, and there is no pressure on the students about wearing variety of dresses on daily basis. Now the counter argument is they suppress individuality and self-expression. Okay, this is the opposing view on uniform. Now look at the evaluation. While uniforms create a sense of unity, allowing minor customization or casual days could balance self-expression with discipline. So you see that This is a balanced view. This is a view which can be given for this topic. Should social media be restricted for teenagers? The argument is excessive social media use affects mental health and academic performance. Now, the counter argument is it helps teens stay connected and access educational resources. Both sides are given. Let's look at the evaluation. Instead of outright restriction, teaching responsible social media use and setting time limits would be a more practical solution. So you see that in evaluation we have come to a balanced side, right? Should exam be the only way to assess students? So the argument is exam test knowledge fairly and encourage students to study, and the other side is they create stress and do not assess practical skills. So see the evaluation, while exams are a useful measure, combining them with coursework, projects and presentations would provide a more balanced evaluation of students' abilities. So the both sides are taken. Now look at another point. Should cars be banned in city centers? So the argument is reducing cars would lower pollution and improve public health. The counter argument on this is this could inconvenience people who rely on cars for work and daily commutes. See the evaluation, a complete ban may be extreme, but investing in better public transport and promoting electric vehicles could be a more sustainable alternative. So see that a very sensible approach is given on this issue, and you can see that the starting of evaluation is little different. Now the next topic is, should zoos be banned? Argument is zoos restrict animals' freedom and keep them in unnatural environment. The counter argument is they protect endangered species and educate the public about wildlife conservation. The evaluation done for this is, instead of banning zoos, ensuring ethical treatment and improving natural habitat would allow education and conservation to continue responsibility. I'm sure that this evaluation video will really help you in forming your evaluation. So we don't have to go in detail. Yes, we can further develop our evaluation by giving some example. Should the death penalty be abolished? Okay, so the argument it is inhumane, irreversible, and sometimes leads to wrongful execution. It is about, the death penalty. Now the counter argument is it deters crime and serve as justice for severe offences. Now look at the evaluation. While some argue for its necessity, life imprisonment without parole could serve as an equally strong deterrent without the risk of executing innocent people. Now, the topic number 8 is, should junk food be banned in school? The argument is junk food contributes to childhood obesity and unhealthy eating habits. The counter argument for this is it provides affordable and convenient food options for students. And the evaluation is a full ban might be too strict, but introducing healthier alternatives and educating students about nutrition would encourage better choices. Now, the idea number 10 is, should mobile phones be allowed in school? The argument is phones help students with research, organization, and emergency communication. The counter argument for this is they can be a distraction and lead to cheating in exam. And the evaluation is, rather than banning phones outright, implementing usage rules like restricting them during class but allowing them during breaks could maintain both productivity and accessibility. So you can see that argument, one side, counter argument, the opposite side of it, and then the evaluation is done in a balanced way. So this video aimed to discuss argument, counter argument, and evaluation, and I hope that you could understand doing it, and it is really going to help you in your directed writing task. Have a good day and be blessed for your exams. Allah Hafiz.